In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to start by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarms at the bottom left corner. Now, before adding a new one, click on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Settings to adjust all of those however you want to, under Alarms, like Snooze or Volume. When you finished, go back and tap on this plus at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour, hit OK and click on your new alarm to make it perfect for you. Pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and in order to exclude some specific dates, click on this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick them and choose OK. You can get rid of them by tapping on Cancel. If you just created your alarm and you want for it to start, for example next Monday, not this one, click on Upcoming Alarm and pick. Then hit OK. You can always change it however you want to. Now, use this switcher next to Vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. Tap on Alarm Name to label your alarm however you want to, and select Sound. Over here you can log in to Spotify or YouTube Music by tapping on the chosen one at the top and use music from it. You can select Sounds and tap on Add New to pick any song from your smartphone. Or you can select one of those. Wherever you decided, go back, and if you are using Google Assistant routines, add your alarm to it thanks to this plus. Now hit Save at the bottom right corner and enjoy your brand new alarm. To make any changes to it, click on it, make them, and choose Save. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. Lastly, to get rid of any alarm, click on it, use Delete at the bottom left corner, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!